Welcome to our guide on mastering Flutter UI controls with easy custom design. Flutter simplifies the development process by using a single programming language, Dart, making it easier for developers to create beautiful and functional applications. Today, we will explore how to create custom widgets in Flutter to enhance your app's design and functionality. Unlike other UI platforms that require multiple languages, Flutter uses only Dart. This means you don't need to juggle HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Kotlin, Java, or XML. Flutter's use of plain English terms for widgets, like animated widgets and elevated buttons, makes it user-friendly and easy to understand, even for beginners. Custom widgets, or user-defined components, allow developers to create reusable UI elements with specific functionality or visual representation. These widgets form the core building blocks of a Flutter app, enabling developers to build consistent and maintainable interfaces. Think of custom widgets as similar to React components, where props refer to stateful widget parameters. To create a custom widget, you start by defining it in a Dart file. You can then specify parameters in its constructor to shape its structure. This approach allows you to tailor the widget's appearance and behavior to fit your application's needs. Custom widgets can be reused throughout your app, making your code more modular and maintainable. In our BMI calculator app, we use custom widgets to handle height and weight inputs. These custom widgets are defined in separate Dart files within a widgets directory. For example, we have custom-button.dart, custom-column.dart, and custom-container.dart. This organization keeps our code clean and makes it easy to manage and update individual components. The gesture detector widget is used to implement touch interactions in Flutter. It includes properties like onTap, which takes an event handler function, and child properties for height, width, and color. This stateless widget acts like a button, detecting user interactions and responding accordingly. It's a versatile tool for adding interactivity to your custom widgets. Flutter offers a wide range of widgets, including stateful widget and stateless widget. As of version 2.10, there are 408 stateful widgets and 272 stateless widgets, totaling 680. Additionally, pub.dv hosts over 23,000 Flutter packages, each potentially containing multiple widgets. This extensive library ensures you have the tools needed to create any user experience. Custom widgets enhance code reusability, maintainability, and consistency. They allow developers to break down complex functionality into reusable components, reducing code duplication. Custom widgets also make it easier to maintain and debug your codebase, as each component can be individually identified and modified. This leads to a more consistent and polished user interface. In Flutter, your app's UI is structured as a widget tree, with parent and descendant relationships. Each widget can have child properties, creating a hierarchical structure. As you add more widgets, your app's code will indent, forming a visual representation of the widget tree. This structure helps organize your code and makes it easier to manage complex UIs. Custom widgets are a powerful feature in Flutter, allowing you to create reusable, maintainable, and consistent UI components. By mastering custom widgets, you can enhance your app's design and functionality, making it more engaging for users. Stay ahead in the rapidly evolving tech landscape by leveraging Flutter's capabilities to bring your vision to life.